Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you skip eating for a whole day? A 24-hour fast can trigger fascinating changes inside you, starting with how your body manages its energy. Initially, your metabolism uses stored glycogen from your liver to maintain blood sugar levels. As the hours tick by, glycogen reserves deplete, and your body switches to burning fat for energy, entering a state known as ketosis. This metabolic shift can lead to increased fat oxidation and potentially aid in weight loss. Hormones play a critical role during fasting. Insulin levels drop, promoting fat breakdown, while growth hormone levels may surge, supporting muscle preservation and fat utilization. However, fasting isn't without its challenges. Hunger pangs, fatigue, and irritability can test your resolve, especially as your body adapts to this new energy mode. Despite these hurdles, fasting may offer benefits such as improved insulin sensitivity and cellular repair processes. It's a delicate balance between challenge and reward. So what would a 24-hour fast mean for you? Reflect on your own fasting experiences and consider how your body might adapt to this ancient practice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe now for more insights on fasting and health.